Hello, sorry about the sound. I'm recording this on my phone because my GoPro is obviously just sort of here. It's got the media mod on it. This video is about filters and the Hero 8 when you've got the media mod. There are a lot of companies that do produce a huge range of products for the Hero 8 that allow you to fit, sort of, for example, filters on. So Galanzi make this very nice sort of 52mm adapter that clips on, and then you screw your filters onto it. That's pretty funky, except there aren't any that really take account of the media mod, which is a bit of a problem if you use it. I like the media mod for reasons that are in the video links in the description, which I'm not going to bore you with now, but obviously that isn't going to fit on there. So here's a solution. What you do is you get your little adapter and one of these, or a blade. This one's actually a 42 teeth per inch. It's an ultra thin kerf razor saw, which sounds extremely impressive and rather lethal, but it's just a precision crafting saw, and it is got very fine teeth on it. And what I did with that was I just sawed a bit off the mount, to cut a long story short, and you can see how much I've sort of shaved off there. It's a bit crude, but nonetheless effective. So you just shave it off like that, so that when you have the GoPro out of the media mod like this, when you clip the adapter on, you want to cut enough off that top edge so that when you push the camera back into the media mod, it doesn't move. See, that's really quite close there, which is why I use a precision saw. So that's got the maximum sort of grippage that you can get, having, you know, hacked a bit off, but also it fits on perfectly. So this isn't going to survive being on a bike, because you wouldn't take a media mod out anyway, because it's not waterproof. I use a lot of stuff on tripods, and occasionally I need macro and other filters. So because I use the media mod to record the microphones, to use the microphones with, I need to have, you know, I need to have the media mod. So it's still on securely, but it's not on obviously as well as it would be if it was, you know, complete without a big chunk missing out of it. So I hope that helps you. What I initially did was I got the saw and I sawed with it on there like that, and what I discovered was it wasn't quite enough. So what you want to do is you actually want to saw it so it's a little bit, well, you can see that it's a little bit further, about 1/2 mil down from that knobbly bit. Essentially you cut it and then fit it on, as I've already shown you, really. Fit it on, and just as you push it in, if you find that it's touching that or it makes that move, take it off, cut a bit more off until it's sort of snug like that one is. So yeah, hopefully you found that useful. Liking or subscribing is appreciated. If you do have any comments, then stick them in the comments. The new Hero 9 does have interchangeable lenses, which does make things kind of interesting. I don't know how well that works with the Hero 9 media mod. I don't know whether the lenses are still, I suppose they are, aren't they? They've got to be. But this is if you've got a Hero 8 and you don't want to buy a Hero 9 to get that functionality, you can do it with, you know, one of these and a saw. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching.